Hi everyone, today we're going to look at how to choose the right plugin for your site. So here we are on the plugins page, and if we're going to install a new plugin, we go and we click the add new button. That takes us through to the add plugins page, and I am going to use the Envira Lite Gallery plugin, which is one that I know. So we go across over here and we type in Envira Gallery and hit the enter button. And there we have the Envira Gallery at the top of the list, first voice on the list. A few quick sanity checks then. 5 stars with a good high number of votes, that's always a good indicator. Last updated 1 week ago, that's important because if the plugin was updated a long time ago, 6 months, 9 months, 1 year or more, it's an indication that the plugin has been abandoned and therefore should probably be avoided. The next we come down to is we have a quick note that says it's compatible with my version of WordPress. Always a good thing to see. So we go and click more details and get a bit more information about this. Now over on the right we have a few more details of the plugin. So we have the version number, we have the link to the author's website. Again, we have the updated 1 week ago. And a minimum version of WordPress is 4.4, meaning that anybody who's using version 3 or version 2 won't be able to use the plugin, but they probably won't be able to use much else either. The important thing is it's compatible up to 5.3, WordPress version 5.3, which is the current active version of WordPress, so that's good. And the PHP version required is 5.3 or higher. Now almost everyone is going to be on version 5. On something higher than version 5.3. The current version is 7.4, but if you're on less than 5.3, then you need to talk to your hosting provider and get them to upgrade your PHP version. Active installations of 100,000 is an important number. I'm happy to install plugins with more than 20,000 installations. Less than 20,000 installations, I take a bit more caution. Less than 10,000 installations, I take a lot more caution. So that's a good number, 100,000. Clicking the WordPress login page gives you that information over on the left, and the plugin homepage takes you to the link above. So here we come down to the 5 stars, that's all good. 1074 people have given it 5 stars, excellent number. These other people who gave it less, it could have been a plugin clash, it could have been a clash with their theme, there could be any number of reasons why they didn't like it, but they're such smaller numbers than the 1074 who liked it that it's not important. The important figure is the 5-star figure. So click install now. And we come here, we see that the installing link is there, and now it's installed, and we get a link to activate it. So we click the button to activate. It takes us through back to our plugins page, and there you can see Envira Gallery Lite is now installed and ready to use. Okay, that's it. Any questions, get in touch. Thanks for watching. Bye now.